Sometimes it's a little confusing to me. All these people sitting on their high horses, looking down on us for smoking the plant, growing a plant. Well, I believe in nature's laws. I just want to be free.
From the mountaintops where the wind blows to the green valleys down below, where the snow melts and the rivers flow. I just want to live my life when the trees grow and the air is clean, where nature's free to do a thing. Everything is one if you know what I mean. I just want to live my life. I'm proud to be a stoner. I'm proud to be a stoner. I'm proud to be a stoner. Yes, I am.
I started smoking weed at the age of 18. I moved out my house, started writing rap beats. I moved to Hollywood, we was up in the scene. It was D-Lo, Johnny, Rick, and my homeboy Steve. We was teenagers here, living the dream, looking up to Daddy X, trying to do this rap thing. Wrote the first couple songs, it was bump bump. We was so high, getting blowed off the skunk. Had the 15s in the trunk down Melrose. Bitches in the club, getting drunk, spin flows, trying to get a record deal. We getting signed, I was broke with no money, but that was back in 95. I'm proud to smoke weed and I'm proud of what we done. I'm proud of the Kings and I'm proud of everyone. I'm proud my name was D-Lo, no joke, son. And I'll be proud when I'm a dad, when I have a daughter or a son.
From the mountaintops where the wind blows to the green valleys down below, where the snow melts and the rivers flow. I just want to live my life when the trees grow and the air is clean, where nature's free to do a thing. Everything is one if you know what I mean. I just want to live my life. I'm proud to be a stoner. I'm proud to be a stoner. I'm proud to be a stoner. Yes, I am. Wisdom Monday. It's those lazy days and the hazy days and the days we get stoned for just days and days. It's amazing when we get to live this way, like every day is a holiday after harvest time and the work is done, and you celebrate by worshiping the earth and sun. We always give thanks for life and the gifts. The higher you climb is always the higher you get, when you gotta disconnect from all the pressure and stress, the traffic and smog and pain, the red. Well, that's real living.